Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the latest collection of LV. So I'm going to share to you all the information that you need to know. So I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so first that we are going to discuss, so these are now available online and on the store to purchase. First we have the K-pop 45 in bandolier. Price is 3,100 euro or 4,050 USD. We have the SKU here. So guys, the first collection that we are going to discuss are mostly epi leather, and of course it comes with cowhide leather trim. So colorway of this one is color 10. Of course it would come with a leather bag tag, lock and keys, and detachable leather strap, as we could see here. This is very reminiscent guys of the epi leather collection that they have released perhaps in the Marc Jacobs era. So we have another colorway of the K-pop 45 bandolier. Price is 3,100 euro or 4,050 USD. So the material is epi leather with cowhide leather trims, as you could see. And what I've noticed, this one, it really does look resemble a vintage epi leather bag, is because the hardware that they have used is in the gold tone hardware, as you can see. I believe it's also the same hardware colorway that they have used in the 90s bag. Next guys, so I think this is a brand new design if I'm not mistaken. So this is the Horizon 55 for the epi leather, I mean. So price is 3,700 euro or 4,850 USD. So this is the interior of the Horizon 55 and this is the back part. So of course the main material would be the epi leather, and it would come with cowhide leather trims as well, and it would come with a bag tag, as we could see, and you're noticing that the hardware is like on the champagne gold colorway. So next guys, so we have the No Way Travel. So please take note that a travel size, meaning this is one of the biggest size of the No Way line. So price of this one is 5,200 USD. So as you can see, the price is also a little bit steep. So same material, epi leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is the Borneo green. So this is the interior. So of course it would come with adjust or non-detachable leather strap, and it would come with a leather bag tag as well of the same Borneo green colorway. So this is the size guys of the No Way Travel, as you could see. So it's a little bit big, and of course price is 5,200 USD. But the colorway of this one is in the color 10, and of course it would come with the same material of epi leather with cowhide leather chips. As you could see, it is a drawstring bag, so classic No Way design, of course, with the bag tag and a non-detachable leather strap. So next on the collection, so we have the Pochette Cosmetique size PM. Price of this one is 850 USD. We have the SKU here, M3A065. So the material is epi leather with cowhide leather trims in the colorway Borneo green. So this comes of course with the gold tone hardware, and this is the interior, just like with the interior that they're using right now. Again guys, as a reminder, so this collection is now available to purchase via louisvuitton.com or in store. So please check the stores online and your CAs as well. So next collection that we are going to discuss is a quote-unquote wild denim collection. First we have the Express MM, price at 4,650 USD. So the material of this one is in denim with the leopard print, as we could see, and of course it would come with the monogram canvas trim. So it would come with the key clochette in the monogram canvas, lock and keys, and of course the straps as well are made of monogram coated canvas. So next on the collection, so we have the all-in size BB, price at 2,550 euro or 3,150 USD. We have the SKU here. So this is from the Monogram Ink collection. I have discussed a few of this on the previous vlog. So of course, since we are having more information, I would like to share them to you. So this is how it looks like, the size. Loving the size. So all-in BB, really cute. Also, you could wear this one as a shoulder bag, even as a top handle like this. So next on the collection, we have the Express Micro. So this is a kind of brand new bag. So still from as you could see, so the main material of this one is with the calfskin leather with the monogram canvas trim. So it would come with a canvas top handle, canvas strap, and of course it would come with a key clochette, lock and key set as well. So of course very minimal Louis Vuitton detailing and logo in front of the bag. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection guys, we have now a closer view of the new design speed pocket. So as you could see, the price guys is expensive at 9,750 USD. So the main material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims, colorways noir. So guys, when I have seen this one on the runway and on my previous vlog, I was imagining, hopefully, and crossing my fingers, that this is a 2-in-1 bag, but no, it's not. So it's like a, there's a bag in the interior, but definitely it's not really like, something that you could fully detach. Then we have the petite valise, price at 12,800 USD. We have the SKU here. So this one, the material is satin, of course, and the satin is embellished with beads. Wow, this is a closer view. It comes, of course, with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is silver, and it would come with detachable leather strap, and of course, it would come in silver hardware. So this one also is now available to purchase in stores and online as well. So check with your CAs if you're interested. Then another beautiful piece, guys, very unique. Louis Vuitton birdhouse. So price may be available upon request. So this one would be launching anytime this month, August 2026. But we do have the SKU here for reference. So this is a Louis Vuitton top handle trunk in the birdhouse design, as you can see. So it comes, of course, with the trunk detailing. Honestly, I cannot see, like for example, any monogram on this one that would resemble or that would tell you that this is a Louis Vuitton trunk. So next, guys, we have the Keepall size 35 extendable. So you're going to see why it's extendable in a little bit. So made of suede cow leather with suede cowhide trims, as we could see. Then of course, it comes with the detachable monogram cover. So you could wear it like this, and this is the back part of the cover. So of course, it would come with bag tag, lock and key set as well. And I believe the reason why this is expandable, so you could truly expand this bag. So guys, another beautiful and very unique piece from Louis Vuitton. We have the Louis Vuitton calling. So we don't have the price, but we do have the SKU here, M2A547. So please check the website and your CAs. This would be launching August 2026. Main materials, monogram coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. So of course, this is a phone shaped bag, including the phone cord, and of course there is the vintage rotary dial pad. So cute and so unique. So next on the collection, so we have the Diane PM backpack. Price of this one is 2,980 USD. We have the SKU here. So this one, monogram coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather strap, as we could see here, and it comes with gold tone hardware. So the interior is like in the dark pink colorway. So this is the back part, as you could see. The strap is fully detachable. Maybe aside from backpack, so aside from top handle, you could carry this one as a crossbody bag or a messenger bag style. So next, guys, this is also brand new. So we have the Christopher P9 backpack. So take note, so they're also making this P9 design and the backpack design by Pharrell. So price is 2,000, or apologies, I'm going to put the price here. So the material of this one is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Of course, it would feature lambskin lining, adjustable leather strap, gold tone hardware, clochette, lock and keys. Happy shopping, everyone! There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a pant emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and silent tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me until the end of this episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!